Welcome to Dashcam Drama, the arena where reckless drivers face their fate and chaos unfolds in real time. From unbelievable crashes to pulse-pounding near misses, every moment is a sharp reminder of how fast everything can go wrong. Strap in, the road is unforgiving. Slowing down and observing when crossing intersections is mandatory. The drivers of the two cars in this situation seem to have forgotten that, and the accident was inevitable. The SUV was traveling on the road when it suddenly got a flat tire, causing it to lose control. Fortunately, there were no casualties in the accident. The collision caused significant damage to the front of this vehicle. Several other vehicles in the convoy sustained minor damage. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured in this accident. The white sedan stopped between two lanes and slowly turned right while the truck behind was approaching at high speed. The truck driver apparently didn't have time to brake, swerving sharply to avoid a collision, causing the car to lose balance and veer off the road, tipping over. For reasons unknown, the cargo truck suddenly stopped, leaving the white sedan with no time to react. The accident was quite serious. Hopefully, no one was killed. This situation happens very often on the road, so everyone crossing the streets should observe carefully to avoid unnecessary accidents. Fortunately, no serious incident occurred. The truck was attempting to overtake when the road was not yet clear. Wishing everyone driving on the road good luck. On the highway, which still had some snow, the old sedan was speeding and lost control of the steering wheel. Luckily, no one was injured. The chain collision caused the rear of the four-seater car to be severely damaged and crumpled. The passenger bus blocked nearly 3/4 of the road, with a corner of its front end broken. Fortunately, there were no casualties. Dashcam footage captured the accident at the intersection when a motorcyclist carrying coconuts fell into a blind spot near a container truck. he miraculously escaped death. The passenger bus was traveling in rainy and windy weather with a slippery road surface, but the driver did not slow down, leading to a loss of control. After losing control, the bus crashed into the guardrail on the right side of the road and overturned. I hope everyone is safe. At the intersection, a speeding white sedan caused a fairly serious accident. Hopefully everyone only sustained minor injuries. On the highway, a car lost control and swerved into the opposite lane. It was a serious accident, but luckily no one was seriously injured. The cars were traveling at a steady speed when suddenly, a Honda Accord encountered a car that stopped abruptly, forcing it to brake sharply. This caused the Toyota Camry following closely behind to crash, flip over, and slide a short distance on the road. Dashcam footage shows the car attempting to swerve to avoid the truck, before crashing head-on into another vehicle. Debris flew across the road as the cars collided violently. You've just witnessed moments where fate twisted the wheel and brutal collisions became lasting warnings for every driver. Remember, safety is the strongest shield on every road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we uncover the haunting stories hidden across the highways ahead.